Hi everyone, Ryan Blair here from Laticrete. I'm the Senior Product Manager for our grouts and sealants. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of our displays here that you can retrofit. We're doing this because we have 7 new colors that we've added to our line. We're discontinuing 7 colors and we're adding 7 new colors to our line for 2022. And what we're doing here is we are just updating this display. You'll receive a kit to update this display. It will come with this label right here. It will come with 5 new strips with the new colors on them, with the other 7 colors taken off. You'll also receive these new color cards, so you'll get those as well. And then you'll also get a packs of 20 of the 7 new colors that we're adding into the line, as well as a small QR code that can be placed anywhere on the display, so that when you run out of the color sticks, you can go online, snap this real quick, and you can get those replenished. So what we recommend is basically take out your existing colors, take everything out, obviously put them together and put them aside. We recommend, there's actually a label under here. You could do one of 2 things. You could either take off the old label, which is actually really easy to peel off, place this new label on, take the backer off of it. We normally recommend starting from the middle out, just so that you can eliminate a lot of the bubbles. You can put it, like I said, right on top of the existing label, or take the old one off and put this on. And then secondarily, same thing with these 5 labels here. Once again, you can peel off the old ones and put the new ones on, or just put the new ones on top. Once you have all those on there, really no particular order, you can just go back, take all the colors. Once you see the name, put the color in, and then once again, you'll get your 7 new colors, a pack of 20 that you can stock in here. We recommend this QR code. I mean, you could pretty much put it anywhere. Sometimes we recommend just putting it on the back here, just so you can have that readily available when you start running out of these sticks. You can just go online. Like I said, just use your phone. That QR code will take you right to where you can replenish these color sticks. Once again, we thank you so much for your business. Looking forward to updating our palette and seeing that out in the field. And once again, thank you so much. Happy selling. Talk to you soon.